What kind of law is that? I can't go in my own house. So which means I can't live here. I can't go in the house. The house on my name, my clothes is there. Right?
It's okay. No, we'll fix it.
Huh?
We'll fix it. I go fix it.
This is the hardest thing that my sisters and I have to endure because of our brother. Our dad's home and everything in it has been destroyed by him. My dad is 86 years old and repeatedly says, I am homeless because of my son Richard. Now my family and I have to remove all appliances and furniture that was destroyed. Rebuild the flooring, walls, as well as replace furniture and appliances. We are asking for your help to raise money so that we can rebuild a safe home for our dad. Please donate any amount that you can to help my dad return to his own home. Thank you.